Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so the problem I was having with PS3 was the audio problem. Alright, so I just ordered this game Mafia 2, as you can see. Alright, I know I got it a couple years later, but alright, so the problem is what happened was I got God of War 3, right? I mean God of War 2, yeah, God of War 3. So what happened was that for God of War 3, the fucking shit. So you had to go to a Dolby version, right? So all you have to do is go and go and take the Dolby version off, because for like certain games, like I said, Modern Warfare, God of War 3, sorry, I'm pretty nervous right now. God of War 3, you need the thing with a Dolby one. So all you have to do, you gotta go onto game sound settings, and you gotta go HDMI, because I have HDMI. Go HDMI and take Dolby sound point one off, the whatever the fucking first one is, Dolby. Take that off and everything else should work perfectly. Okay, just take that off, because for certain games, like I repeat, for like certain games like what the hell is it called? Yeah, God of War 3, you need Dolby version. So you gotta take that off right now, and look, this shit's working perfectly. Oh, also one more thing, guys, one more thing, most important. I just did this latest freaking update, alright, of the PS3. My brother just restarted. He said restart system, so all like restart every setting and everything, then it started working for us. Okay, like that, the tuk tuk sound that you make when you're like just even scrolling around, like on the main menu. Okay, it wasn't even making that, so all we did was restarted. Try that out, it should work. All right, have a good day.